All right, today we're going to start chapter 10. 10.1 is stem and leaf plots. So, what a stem and leaf plot is, it's a plot that uses digits of data values to organize a data set. So, I'm going to put stem and leaf in here. Stem and leaf plot. Like it says, it just organizes a bunch of numbers. When you have a bunch of numbers, it's nice to have them organized. They're easy to kind of digest and analyze. Um, In a stem and leaf plot, each data value is broken down into a stem and a leaf. Like I said, your stems are usually your tens place value, and your leaves are normally your ones place value. So let's go to this example here. It says make a stem and leaf plot of the hair lengths. Okay. So first thing you want to do is you want to make a T. Okay. On the left side of your T, we're going to have our stems. On the right side, we're going to have our leaves. Like I said before, in the stem and leaf plot, they're broken down into the tens place value and the ones place value. Normally, the tens place value is in the stem, and the ones place value is in the leaves. So what I need to do is I need to look at my numbers. Okay, I need to find my lowest number, which is a 1. It looks like. Okay, and I need to find my highest number, which looks like is a 47. Okay, so my digits range from 1 to 47. So that means my tens digit is going to range from 0 to 4. And when you write these tens digits, you're not allowed to skip. You're not allowed to have any gaps. You can't go from like 0 to 2. You got to have that 1 in there. So here I go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, because my numbers go from 0 as a tens digit to in the 40s. So now I want to go ahead and put my leaves. Okay, so my leaves with a stem of 0 would start with my ones. So I got 1, 2, 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Like I said, you don't want to put any commas in between here. Just put them the way I have. You want to put these leaves in order from least to greatest. Okay, that'll help us analyze once we get to that part. All right, how about my ones? I'm going to go to twos now. I have 1, 2 twos, I believe. And threes. See any fours? I see 1. Just 1 4. Fives. See 1, 2, 2. Sixes. See any sevens, eights, nines. All right, now I'm to my tens, or my 1 as a stem here. So my numbers with the stem of 1. I see a 12. That's all I see, so I'm going to put a 2 as my leaf. I'm going to go stem of 2. I'm going to 20. 0 as my leaf. 27. 23, so 23 would come first. So I'm putting a 3 as my leaf. 7 as my leaf. Double check, make sure I didn't miss any. All right, now I can go to a stem of 3. 30. And I have a 32. And a 33. And a 38. And just seeing here, I missed this 7 here. So I'm just going to go and put that in my leaves with a stem of 0. I think I have all my 30s. I'm going to go to 40s. So I got a 40, so a leaf of 0. 44 with a leaf of 4. 47 with a leaf of 7. So now I want to go back and make sure I didn't skip any numbers. I'm going to count how many I have here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 numbers. So I should have 20 numbers up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Perfect. We got all our numbers. All right. Now on a stem and leaf plot, you also always have a key. Okay. So when you write your key, basically you pick a number. So I'm going to pick 20. Okay. So how 20 would look on my stem and leaf plot, I would have a 2 in the stem column. I'm going to have my line, then a 0. So that would equal 20. Every stem and leaf plot also has a title. If I look back up here, it says make a stem and leaf plot of the hair lengths. Okay, so my title is just going to be, I'm going to put it up top here, hair lengths. All right, so this would be your stem and leaf plot for all this data. Okay, like I said, it's you can use these to organize a bunch of data. Okay, everything's in order from least to greatest, so I can very easily find the median. It's very easy to find the mode. You can find the mean with all this data. It's easy to find a range. It just really helps me organize it. Now, I do want to talk about some common questions that I have with stem and leaf plots. Okay, a lot of times people ask, what do you do with a number that is 3 digits? Well, if I had something like 100, what I would do is I'd put 10 in my stem and 0 in my leaf. Regardless of how many digits there are, there's always going to be only 1 digit in your leaf. Everything else is going to go in your stem. Okay? So this would equal 100. Now, people also ask, what if you have a decimal? Well, if you have a decimal, then you use this line as your decimal point. So I put 4.5. That would equal 4.5. All right, and that is your 10.1 notes.